Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. This is Lyle McVeigh, and today I'm going to show you the 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270 Surf. So standing here on the swim platform, one of the great things about this boat is that you can just walk right into the boat, walk right here on the portside walkthrough, boom, now you're in the entertainment section of the boat. After walking through the easy access of the portside walkthrough, I'm in the entertaining section of the SDX 270 Surf, sitting here behind this beautiful teak table. All the wonderful detail in the stitching and upholstery on this beautiful Sea Ray. Has some cool adjustability in the seating so you can sit facing forward. Both the captain's chairs and the passengers do that. Makes it great for either watching backwards while somebody's surfing or paying attention to which way we're going. All right, welcome to the bow section of this 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270 Surf. Did I mention this is a surf boat? Check out this bow section. You got plenty of room to sit, beautiful teak table. This is an awesome place to be on the water. So come by and see us here in Louisville at MarineMax Dallas.